In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Ical with GoHighLevel Calendars. We'll be doing this directly inside your GoHighLevel sub-account, and the goal is to create a calendar that can sync with your Ical schedule so your availability stays organized and up to date. This is especially helpful if you're managing appointments across multiple platforms and want to reduce scheduling conflicts. To get started, open GoHighLevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Calendars. This is where all of your booking and scheduling tools are managed. After that, click Go to Calendar Settings. This will take you into the area where you can create and configure a new calendar connection. In the Settings page, click New Calendar to begin creating the calendar you want to use for this integration. You'll then be asked what type of calendar you want to create. Choose Personal Booking. This option is typically the best choice when the calendar is tied to one person's availability and appointments. Next, enter a calendar name. In this example, use something simple and clear like iCloud Calendar. Giving it a descriptive name makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you manage more than one calendar. After naming it, add a description. The description can help you remember what this calendar is for, such as noting that it's being used for Ical syncing. Now select the team member connected to this calendar. This step is important because GoHighLevel needs to know whose schedule this booking calendar belongs to. Make sure you choose the correct person so the availability and appointments sync properly. Once that's set, the next step is to find the Ical subscription URL for your calendar. This URL is what connects the external calendar feed to your scheduling setup. Be careful when copying and pasting it, because even a small mistake in the link can prevent the sync from working correctly. After you have the correct Ical link, paste the GoHighLevel Ical URL into the appropriate field and save it so your schedule can sync. This is the key part of the setup, since it allows calendar information to flow into your booking system and helps keep your availability aligned. When everything looks right, click Confirm to finish the setup. At that point, the integration should be in place. As a final tip, give the system a little time to update, then double check that the calendar appears correctly and that the sync is working as expected. That's it. You've successfully integrated Ical with GoHighLevel Calendars.